Hello, I'm David Brown at Berkeley Nucleonics, and this video series is going to walk you through all the features and functionalities of SpectraCore, our newly released software tool that matches up with the beautiful new RTSAs, the ICX400. Each feature will be defined in a small video so you can bounce around to just the features you need. Please reach out to us so we can answer any questions you have and get your hands on one of the new 40 gigahertz real-time spectrum analyzers. I'm Berkeley Nucleonics. Hi, David here. Let's walk through phase noise measurement in SpectraCore. Parameter setup and the full measurement start to finish. If this is your first time connecting the instrument, check the Quick Start series first. Set the center frequency to 1 gigahertz and the reference level to 0 decibel milliwatts in SpectraCore's main settings area. Select the measurement submenu and choose phase noise. By default, you'll see phase noise results at 6 standard frequency offsets: 100 hertz, 1 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz, 1 megahertz, and 10 megahertz. You can set your own start and stop offsets if you need a different range. In the chart setting area, adjust scale interval and display offset to reposition the result on screen. Click memory to save the current trace and update memory whenever you want to refresh it. A couple of toggles worth knowing. Carrier track keeps the measurement locked onto the carrier signal while it's on. Smooth reduces interference from the instrument's own spurs or the signal generators. You can pick from a few smoothing methods and set your own smoothing bandwidth and window length. By default, we use a 1% window length. In the phase noise trace graph, you can hide the original data and the memory trace to see the current result more clearly. Finally, in the basic submenu, you can adjust whatever parameters the measurement needs, including resolution, bandwidth. Select the measurement submenu and click Auto Set anytime you want to return to the default configuration. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next software tool in SpectraCore to get you most out of your ICX FieldHawk, the 40 gigahertz spectrum analyzer.